Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of too many notifications from Empower? Well, let's quickly adjust your email and alert settings so that you only get what matters. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize email and notification preferences on Empower. The first step is to log in. So sign in to your Empower personal dashboard at empower.com. Next is access settings. So click your profile picture or name in the top right corner and then select settings. After that, you want to open notification preferences. So from the menu, you're going to choose notifications or communication preferences. Next is to adjust email alerts. You're going to see categories like weekly summaries, transaction alerts, budget alerts, and more. Toggle each one on and off depending, of course, on what you want to receive. Next is to adjust push notifications. Now, if you use the Empower mobile app, you can also enable or disable push notifications here. Next and final is to save changes. Scroll down and click Save or Update Preferences to lock in your choices. And that's it. Your Empower alerts are now tailored to you. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the Empower dashboard layout so you can find everything faster. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.